Welcome to Sham's Kitchen Delicious Foods. In today's video, we have decided to leave you a taste of the traditional winter dessert of Bangladesh called Bhapa Pitha, meaning rice cake. It is a steamed rice cake made of ground rice flour, freshly grated coconut filled with the sweetness of date molasses. To start, pour in a bowl 1.5 kg of rice flour and 2.5 teaspoons of salt. Now add 750 ml of warm water. Make sure to gradually add water to dampen the flour because the mixture should neither be like a dough nor like a butter but just wet. So here's an extra tip for you. We're gonna add 100 ml of double cream previously mixed with warm milk and gradually pour it into the flour. In this way, the flour will be softer and a bit tighter but much tastier. So once it's done, simply set aside for 10 minutes. These are the date molasses. These are made of organic syrup extracted from date tree and normally used in many Asian recipes. So simply grate 970 grams of date molasses and set them aside. In a separate bowl, prepare freshly grated coconut and that's 600 grams of coconut. Give the damp flour through a strainer to get more consistency to remove any large particles for an even mixture. Now here's come the filling. So first we're gonna add flour, then date molasses. Now coconut, a bit more date molasses, finally flour. Once done, simply cover it with a wet cotton cloth. And finally, it's time to steam and eat. So on a steamer, place the pita and steam for about 8 to 10 minutes. And if you haven't got the pan I have, don't panic, just simply use a saucepan. You can place a shifter and cover it with a lid to steam. Here you go, a delicious Bangladeshi rice cake. A sweet snack normally eaten for breakfast or evening bite. Key ingredient of this recipe is date molasses in the filling, which makes the pita taste divine. So if you have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment below if you'd like to make it at home, and please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your network. So see you on the next one.